Let's understand how profiling works. Profiling will help you when you want to upload specific types of products, say of a particular category. The profiles are based on category, brand, and many more. To do that, you need to go to the profile section and click on Create Profile. After doing so, you will be required to give a name to your profile and select the category. By enabling the Override Product feature, the app will override those products that might have fallen in another profile and will be considered a part of this newly created one. Furthermore, you need to select the query according to your requirements as shown. You can create more than one condition by using Add More. While creating a rule group, your product must match the any or all condition to fetch products for the profile you are creating. Once you hit Run Query, all the products that would be a part of that query will be listed down. A reference can be taken from the Rule Group Help Guide, and by moving forward, you need to map the attributes that improves the SEO and search visibility on the Facebook platform. Once the profile is created, you can view, edit, or delete it. The created profile can be searched through the search bar. As shown, in order to upload the profile, you need to click on Bulk Upload Product and then select the desired profile from the drop-down. Once uploaded, you can find the products in your connected catalog. We hope this helps you well. Happy selling!